How to efficiently use clean energy represented by hydrogen energy is becoming the main direction of exploration in many fields around the world. Compared with traditional electric and oil-powered systems, hydrogen fuel cell systems have the characteristics of high energy density, zero emissions, low vibration, and easy maintenance. It is an excellent choice for long-endurance UAV power system. DJ25 Hydrogen Electric Hybrid VTOL UAV system was developed by JOUAV and Doosan Mobility Innovation. The maximum payload is 4 kilograms, and the maximum endurance time is up to 330 minutes. Fuel cell system is the heart of the hydrogen-powered UAV. The fuel cell system used on the DJ25 is Doosan's DM15 model, which is lightweight and integrated with a stack power generation module, power management module, and high-voltage hydrogen storage module for high reliability and safety. The fuel cell applies advanced proton exchange membrane fuel cell technology. It has high energy conversion efficiency, no noise, and no vibration in the process. The high-pressure hydrogen storage cylinder that meets international standards and pressure-reducing valve that is independently developed by Doosan Mobility Innovation have undergone rigorous tests such as high-altitude drop, high-temperature fire, high-speed impact, etc. Besides, they have passed the certification of international organizations such as the United States DOT, the European Union TPED, and South Korea KGS to ensure customers use them safely. DJ25's high-efficiency aerodynamic shape and excellent UAV manufacturing technology endow hydrogen-powered UAV with excellent flight performance. The flight control and navigation system can autonomously respond to abnormal situations such as data link timeout, altitude abnormality, GNSS system abnormality, and flight time exceeding limit. The rotor power system can be started autonomously in an emergency, effectively protecting the safety of the UAV platform and fuel cell system. The application of hydrogen energy is an effective way to achieve the goals of carbon emission peak and carbon neutrality. DJ25 will further promote the development of industrial UAVs with its leading fuel cell system and excellent flight performance. DJ25 hydrogen-powered VTOL UAV, safer, quieter, and more secure.